Hey guys, welcome to Study Cozy. It is me, Kavya, and this is another study vlog. So this day I had a few classes. It was around 7:30 in the morning and I started with my notes completion of physics, and along with that I revised that chapter which was going on in the class. Mostly I have my midterms in the second week of October, so I have to prepare for it as well. This full week I tried waking up early daily, but that just never happened, and I used to wake up just a minute before my classes start, so that is not the best part, but I guess there is a fun in being unproductive as well, so I'm not sad about that. So here it was 4 in the evening and I was done with all of my classes. Then I prepared this apple milkshake for myself, which I'm having most of the time these days. So here I started with maths, and in it I was covering up all of those topics which I missed in the last month, because since I joined this course 1 month late, I have missed on a lot of concepts and topics, so I was just covering up all of them. After that it was around 7 and then I went down to play and just hang out with my friends. After getting back home, I checked off all of the tasks that I planned, and the only one which was left was to edit a video. And then I scheduled my next day on Google Calendars. I can see that this was the only day of the week on which I was really productive. Here I woke up at 6 and then I started attending the Skillshare lectures that I was watching. So these were some Python classes that I was taking from Skillshare, and it was a beginner's course, so this is not a part of my curriculum for the first trimester, but I still enjoyed attending these classes. This was around 7:30 in the morning, and as you saw I prepared some breakfast for myself, which was not that good, and I also had this apple milkshake again, and here I was practicing the physics questions of the chapter that was going on in the class at that time. Then it was time for my classes. So my first class was from 8:30 till 9:30 and it was engineering graphics, and after that this one was my maths class, in which I was just taking down all of the notes and attending the lecture. It is like 1:20 right now. I have my break till 1:30, so I will do my lunch now, and after that I have engineering graphics practical for continuously 3 hours, which is so hectic. Okay, so here my practical ended at 4:30, and after that I just went down, and then actually I couldn't vlog after that, so then I started my next day at 4:45 in the morning, but I slept again. Like I woke up, I switched off the alarm, and then I slept again. Then I woke up at 8:30 and I didn't had any class on this day, so after that I had my breakfast and started with my work again. Nowadays what is happening with me is that I go to bed at night with a lot of motivation to wake up early in the morning, to wake up at 6:30, be productive throughout the day, complete all of my work. But that actually never happens. So recently I have started reading this book, Atomic Habits, and I'm a slow reader, so I'm still on the second or third chapter, I guess. And here I was making some short summaries of it on these sticky notes. I just hope that this book will help me to set some good habits from now onwards. After reading a couple of chapters from the book, I made a little summary of important points that I found out in there so that I can just, revise it instead of revising the full book again. This was like around 10:30 at night, and I started completing my maths assignments. There were two of them, and I completed both of them this night. So in the afternoon we had like an online fest going on, so I attended that, and I couldn't study anything, of course, during that time. And in the evening it was like really raining and gloomy outside, so it was not just the study vibe. I didn't study anything, I just relaxed. So this was my grinding mode basically. So I can say that this week was not the most productive week in my life because I procrastinated a lot, and I don't feel bad for it because I didn't had a lot of workload, so it is okay to relax for some days. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and also I will see you guys in the next vlog.